Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Nissan Skyline GTR Kaira RZ, and this is a red color one. So they just recently launched this particular model or the version. So let's unbox and see how this one looks. So I think I bought this from Miniature Toy Shop, if I'm not wrong. So if you guys are wondering. Okay. So I personally love mini GTs because for the price point they are giving a lot more details than literally any other brand. Okay, let's put this aside for a minute and open this. Okay, here it is. Okay, let's have a closer look. So the initial impressions of this car are like, the paint job looks really nice. Okay, so and you can see the acrylics here for the headlights, and you can see the Kaira logo here. The grill is actually, it's some kind of metal inside and it's painted on top of it. The detailing is really nice. And the Kaira is written on both sides. So this part here, it is actually made of plastic, the spoiler, and even the tail lights has some kind of acrylics. It is not painted or anything. This looks really beautiful actually. Okay, okay, I think for the first time actually Mini GT did. Okay, so this rear view mirror is actually, it is actually bending a little bit because it's made of some kind of that what you can say, the silicone kind of material. So the entire body and chassis is made of plastic. So I think this is the first Mini GT which I have with this details on the bottom. This transmission and all these details here, this is the first Mini GT which I'm having with this all these details. It has some great interior details to it as well. Let me just try to show you guys. I'm hoping that you guys can see it clearly. Okay, so the tires are actually made of rubber and the rims looks really cool. The exhaust looks really nice here. It is actually a separate piece. Yeah, it is actually a separate piece, and which is molded into the chassis. Okay, so as usual, let's do a roll test. Anyway, this is not supposed to be played with, but let's do a roll test. Yeah, it rolls. It is not really, it doesn't really roll very well because anyway it is supposed to be placed in a box or something as a showpiece. It is not supposed to be played with. So I don't mind with this little bit of wheel wobble and all, because anyway we are not going to play with it. So Mini GT does really good job for the price point. This is around like 1200 if I'm not wrong, which I bought this for. So right now Hot Wheel premiums are selling for 1200, 2000 rupees, 2500. So it doesn't even worth it, to be very honest with you guys. You can go out and buy a Mini GT for the 1000 rupees, and this looks really beautiful. The logo placements are really nice. So everything looks really beautiful. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.